Ebusha for my mama akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Hey, MPP. For a long time we'll be saying we have the men, we have the men, we have the men. I know, sir, English mono, you can use men as representing both women and the men. But we have the men and the women. And we have both the men and women because Charlie, it was young for the kind of pressure my friend Abena Osei Asare on the whole country is virtually at a standstill when Abena Asare is leading the Public Accounts Committee.
Headmaster, you are here.
He is here.
Why did you delay in submitting your financial statement to the auditors?
I'm set, Koku Ameo, headmaster, my senior high.
Thank you. And I'm asking why you delayed in submitting your financial statements to the auditors, as it's a breach in Section 81 of the PFM Act.
Madam Chair.
You know, you are headmasters and headmistresses, and you are supposed to set a good example. We will leave it here for today, but next time we will not. And we have taken notice of these 3 schools, and I hope this will not be repeated.
And I must say, for the first time, I am so much impressed with that committee. So far, we share the committees of parliament in the open that we have seen. Because those that we are privileged to have seen, I think Public Accounts Committee is standing very tall. And whoever had the idea to involve, and I said to make the opposition lead the Public Accounts Committee now, that it was a brilliant one. An excellent one, because I mean, say if it were to be a business as usual, majority member, and I said government MP, and I believe this anchor things can be swept under the carpet and all those things. Now revelations are every Public Accounts Assembly Mobano, and easy. One of the things that really caught my attention in it said, it was young for headmasters. They are done. No, I think they are done zonal accounts. You hear headmasters say they've spent some monies on food, and the reason is simple because there is shortage of food at senior high school. Last year we kept on saying, MPP before we were saying that BB cost schools nema. They do not want us to know. Government does not want us to know because of them say I say tepe catch the Ghana for, and they don't want to say they don't want Ghanaians to ask say see na power na accept free senior high school no. Beka say kai and through this no headmasters be always say sika wo the then or just kind or they told their name students no adentia na buying fast their name ba. Na buying fast their name ba. And you understand because instead of buying way your mama buying to use the system that was there, buffer stock goes to buy from farmers, they stock it across their warehouses. They are rather chasing after the former person who was a buffer stock, and they are leaving buffer stock to collapse. You saw, there was a video that was trending, I think a month ago. I think the MC and I said DC, I think the women organization they are using buffer stock warehouse for private business. Say, and when you are hearing schools.
So when you want to say
There is no food that you should understand where all this is coming from. And so you see, Abena Osei Asare is doing a very impeccable job. And the way also the handle Sam George and so a lot of people are commending her. Because she did not allow Sam George to have a field day as he would normally want to have. Debbie. I think she's one of the women to watch out for. The only thing that I still don't understand about her in the fact says she did not support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia when we were going to the general primaries. And I always remember it and I ask myself, that maybe someone say about saying what actually led you to decide on whom to support. I really want to understand that decision she made. But aside that, and even that might not necessarily be a wrong decision because you're one choice. That one also shows how courageous she is. But I just want to understand that choice, and then because I have come so much to love the woman's diligence and her demeanor and charisma. Charlie, MPP, we have the men and the women. Ebusian for still, Epamucho Mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, no. Number no was screen so with me boy Kitwa right? Kindly help us as we do it. And we'll be proud. We'll all be proud of how far we have come as a family. And I must say, I'm here in Debia. I'm Shiramo.
On say, well, money man, no more space. To Nicola Bram, as I say, malnutrition, no share space for Nicola Bram. Eh, yeah, won't come from the say, space, I want say, space now to force him on the matter. Cause first, there's no such space on the matter.
Oh yeah, no ni my dear pa. Atu first ni first nipa wa share first wa bonja.
The space na e sha to force no. Eh nia malnutrition ha na e ko affecting ni a o the space man no na emom eh book mu de ni. Yes anka. Nipa unkoye dwuma institute bia da apart for NDC. Apart for NDC for the employee by deputy minister amu Ghana ka. When you were deputy minister, at first you realize that mumma, my friend say, unemployment rate equal 12%. Now oyan say me only be fit 12 equal 3%. Mugo dina still PSO. Titru eno ko for adwuma ko for ka tire won say. Ugo ko si water tank e wo fun mama o. Na wa makoko akosoro. Na I feel is the Ghana for there. That's boring. The thing of boring will be to be a thing of a past. What that won't go for? It's not just person. I'm with you. I'm with you. And I'm got to our mouth. No, only that to force or call parliament fourth event or call a fourth parliament. On shall say. Was wait me show chrome. I don't know. Who come quiet from a drama go to a can say, I say, Mansu, and people name out. Who come town rose, and people name out. There, say, baby, I see Bissia a dormitory, 600 capacity, and people name out. I don't know, you don't go see what it. A drama go to a quapon road, and people name out. I found a mountain that year. I found say, I found Mikey, so we are tolerable. We are tolerable. We are that doubtful. On the atoon, my dear. Now, a dramatic for no moon's young sign. I'm got tomorrow. I don't fancy. There's so many minister, events, and finance minister. Say a young foul what they are own sign. But so, yeah. Just can one. Sad does a market to my now compromise was more loan. Almost fast can Bramochon. Say sika no won. Nsuo na
Pato.
nsuo na asai na omo ye nsuo no ma mo ko no nene no fa kosi bo ma o. Say sika na watu afuma unwia enti unwia be ma nimpon ebe ye project akese one ambulance unye bi. Yes, the cheap compound unye bi atofasen ye ma wo venze a grader ye ma wo pillow da ye somehow motorbike se uncroft na mu ye adwuma e wo cheap compounds no amfa nkwa ye nsi wo na na do say o district director of agric oni pick up o man bi o district health director any pick up o man bi atofasin na na do say the other suma ye majority leader say wow because anye bia ni na ye Ghana ntino o health director any pick up ye man bi ntino eto say onu aberema afema ke eka say aton we are boniaye for even in Mahama administration oko for parliament when yes show constituency em prebe ma you so a shallow minded Ghanaians I do not go went to me and found Kolan Costco. Time now, Mahama, you about just say, this school fees are secret in my head sign. Profunza, Kona, you will not now show no girlfriend. At all, say. Now, I do not go for Canada, and the free sisters are bring and there. My fire service for her, more police for her, more nurse for her, and a more some invest because of free SHS. Medi ato force anu Ethiopia only company koko efi 400 about 3,100 onu na ofi fourth republic ebe du wa umri ko want me ntu the catch say me shall space ntino mfa me nko ye bebe ma 6,000 na wo de wo mo wie
Amu she honorable am na kumasi die.
wo mo wie ye Precis me I don't pity them me I am me credit me toki na me to like prepaid na ye ma me nya ma me toki because kwanzo and events immigration for Yamia. Me, in Kamasu, my body, no, my show.
Oh.
No, my show.
There's almost one crumb for the aqua to two borders when you know. Oh, that be
coming. The man said, next time you come, we make touching up according to Kusia. I'm a duty, no, mammy duty, be I sing Yaman. I mean, Nimsy come with you or San Yaman, no, a bromet, may not book as a papa, you got any Mabuja. You do from a book, you make catch now, because you jammy. What the numbers are so more duty, no. All the ones on Yaman. So then you might write like 50,000 now. Now, yeah. No, Mama said 3 days. One bomb, and it's true. What did you German to now? Copy boy, my biaffa. Oh, my, yeah, now. Catch up. No, Mamma, do honey. And it's for my bro. Missy, Obia, one ma, Obi. Sika, I say, what could you load? Do some. This will come so. Koko ni biara wensu koko fama bia wensu ane busheni adia ye kada omo brain na de tomamo
amen.
me say nice ni bia wa fe wiam me say disable bia wa fe wiam na bia we me de maw o disable osu ye disabled ya tama ko to petroleum of disabled Mahama Mimiti no o tuna e catch say MP before e say o tete say what say o 39 40 e be ka nipa o ye straight say mo tete say o tete say nipa ko ba bi o ya fucking man
Bet Matthew ano na obi so embremu.
me this say me this year ko ba bi say I will come back for him na we there na to forces so ato we are warning 40 million na kana ya bono fasika nkoto ayesa wo ya do be ko litigation ya nka wo pona ya ho so no na esie
All right, thank you so much. The Voice, I see you. Please.